Welcome to TechBot. Today I will show you how to delete old Windows files. Let's get started. First, check to the old Windows files. I upgraded to Windows 11 from Windows 10. As a result, the old Windows 10 files have been automatically separated from the new system files. It's safe to delete these old files. They won't harm your PC or affect its performance. First, click the Start menu, then go to Settings. Next, click on System, and then choose Storage from the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of what's taking up space on your drive. Now, look for the option called Previous Windows Installations. This is where your old Windows 10 files are stored. Check that box, and feel free to uncheck anything else you don't want to delete. Then, just click Remove Files. Windows will now clean up those old leftovers. Just wait for the process to complete. It might take a while. In the meantime, why not enjoy a cup of coffee? A quick heads up. Once you delete these old files, you won't be able to roll back to Windows 10. So make sure you're happy with Windows 11 before going through with this. And that's it. You've just freed up several gigabytes of space in a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.